Ramadan, also spelled Ramazan, Ramzan, Ramadhan or Ramadan, is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, observed by Muslims worldwide as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection and community, a commemoration of Muhammad's first revelation. The annual observance of Ramadan is regarded as one of the 5 pillars of Islam and lasts 29 to 30 days, from one sighting of the crescent moon to the next. Fasting from sunrise to sunset is fard for all adult Muslims who are not acutely or chronically ill, traveling, elderly, breastfeeding, diabetic, or menstruating. The pre-dawn meal is referred to as suhoor, and the nightly feast that breaks the fast is called iftar. Although fatwas have been issued declaring that Muslims who live in regions with a midnight sun or polar night should follow the timetable of Makkah, it is common practice to follow the timetable of the closest country in which night can be distinguished from day. The spiritual rewards of fasting are believed to be multiplied during Ramadan. Accordingly, Muslims refrain not only from food and drink, but also tobacco products, sexual relations, and sinful behavior, devoting themselves instead to salat and recitation of the Quran. The word Ramadan derives from the Arabic root RMD, scorching heat. Ramadan is thought as one of the names of God in Islam by some, and as such it is reported in many hadiths that it is prohibited to say only Ramadan in reference to the calendar month, and that it is necessary to say month of Ramadan, as reported in Sunni, Shia and Zaidi sources. However, these hadith are daif or weak in their chain of narration. In the Persian language, the Arabic letter is pronounced as Z. Some Muslim countries with historical Persian influence, such as Azerbaijan, Iran, India, Pakistan and Turkey, use the word Ramazan or Ramzan. The word Ramzan is used in Bangladesh. The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for mankind, and clear proofs of the guidance, and the criterion. And whosoever of you is present, let him fast the month. And whosoever of you is sick or on a journey, a number of other days, Allah desires for you ease. He desires not hardship for you, and that you should complete the period, and that you should magnify Allah for having guided you, and that perhaps you may be thankful. Muslims hold that all scripture was revealed during Ramadan. The scrolls of Abraham, Torah, Psalms, Gospel, and Quran having been handed down on the 1st, 6th, 12th, 13th and 24th Ramadans, respectively. Muhammad is said to have received his first Quranic revelation on Laylat al-Qadr, one of 5 odd-numbered nights that fall during the last 10 days of Ramadan. Although Muslims were first commanded to fast in the 2nd year of Hijrah, they believe that the practice of fasting is not in fact an innovation of monotheism but rather has always been necessary for believers to attain taqwa. They point to the fact that the pre-Islamic pagans of Makkah fasted on the 10th day of Muharram to expiate sin and avoid drought. Philip Jenkins argues that the observance of Ramadan fasting grew out of the strict Lenten discipline of the Syrian churches, a postulation corroborated by other scholars, including theologian Paul Gordon Chandler, but disputed by some Muslim academics. The first and last dates of Ramadan are determined by the lunar Islamic calendar. Because Hilal, the crescent moon, typically occurs approximately 1 day after the new moon, Muslims can usually estimate the beginning of Ramadan. However, many prefer to confirm the opening of Ramadan by direct visual observation of the crescent. Laylat al-Qadr is considered the holiest night of the year. It is generally believed to have occurred on an odd-numbered night during the last 10 days of Ramadan. The Dawudi Bohra believe that Laylat al-Qadr was the 23rd night of Ramadan. The holiday of Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of Ramadan and the beginning of Shawwal, the next lunar month, is declared after a crescent new moon has been sighted or after completion of 30 days of fasting if no sighting of the moon is possible. Eid celebrates of the return to a more natural disposition of eating, drinking, and marital intimacy. The common practice is to fast from dawn to sunset. The pre-dawn meal before the fast is called the suhoor, while the meal at sunset that breaks the fast is called iftar. Muslims devote more time to prayer and acts of charity, striving to improve their self-discipline. Motivated by hadith, when Ramadan arrives, the gates of paradise are opened and the gates of hell are locked up and devils are put in chains. Ramadan is a time of spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and heightened devotion and worship. Muslims are expected to put more effort into following the teachings of Islam. The fast begins at dawn and ends at sunset. In addition to abstaining from eating and drinking during this time, Muslims abs.